Oh, good evening, everybody. I am ready to do some things, some deving, some game deving, as you know. Oops, that's not what I want. All right, so I'm going to continue on with the. Let me make sure my audio is working. Stupid overlay. Hold on, I gotta figure out how to get that off. Drives me nuts. Drives me nuts. I accidentally enable it, and I gotta change the shortcut. I think it's NVIDIA. NVIDIA. No, control. That didn't go away. Altar. Yeah, that's not it. Is it you? Do you have an overlay? Because I will make you go away. Display, overlay. Alt-Z. AMD, you need to get out of the game, buddy. There it goes. Hey, yeah, here's to your followers. No. Oh, my webcam is not working. Hold on. Let me fix it. My webcam is not working. That's the link deactivate. Crap. Oh, I hate when that happens. It's like it's there, but it's not. Oh, man. Preview off. I should have looked at. I knew I should have looked before I started. All right, this might be a webcamless run because it's not working. How about this? Let's. Thing before I started. Oh well. No webcam tonight. Try one more thing. Add source. Video capture device. Webcam, man. Okay, there we go. Now I'm just going to take up most of the screen for the entire time. Let's get back down Ah, yes. All right. There we go. We have the stupid overlay off, and we can continue on. So last night before I went to bed, I got through the phase 3, and I was getting ready to start phase 4. So let's do that. Let's do that. Okay. Let's just get through this AI thing, and then the AI director and storyteller framework. I got again down another rabbit hole. Let's do phase 4. At least I'll have the boilerplate ready for whenever I do need to start implementing the implementing it. And I believe it's the scriptable event system behind it is going to be leverageable. So name the first one threat channel, then opportunity channel. I don't know. I'm kind of tired today. I don't know. I did a lot of stretching or digging and diving and looking into issues. So I may not stream. I may not go too hard today. So I don't know. Maybe. Superior. So we're going to create a new channel. AI director. Event channel void. What was it? Set opportunity channel. Okay. And then we're going to create a director AI or director UI controller. Since all right, for this testing, we'll do that. I want to get back to. I'm going to complete the farming AI stuff and the farming UIs. I'm not ignoring it. It's just I'm ignoring it. Create scripting, menu behavior. I don't know. Yeah, today I was just ready to be. I'm ready to be back home. I'm kind of burnt out of being on the road. I am burnt out. I'm ready to be home. Thursday I'll be taking off and driving home. I'll be home Friday. Cannot wait. All right. Creating a curve, y'all. Got them curves. AI director. Curve consideration. I think it's player wealth. No player stress. Click the curve view on the curve. Select the preset that looks like a slow ramp from the left, linear from the bottom to the left to the right. Metric is player stress. I think it's already good to go. Create another consideration curve. Long cooldown consideration. Do, 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 do. That's a little too fast. Time since last thread. That is a ramp down, linear from left to right. Ramping down. Looks like a slow ramp up. This makes it score highest when the time is 0 and lowest at the time. Plan asks for the opposite, so select a ramp up. What? Okay. Create game event. Minor bandit event. I already did that. Yeah, I did. Game event SO. Bandit attack. I don't like underscores in my names, but I'll do whatever. Execution prefab. There is no considerations list. So, kind of waking up. I don't know. I'm feeling the juice. The juice is coming. I'm gonna let the juice loose. Maybe. I gotta pick a game name so I can update my titles from this whole Elin Rimworld thing. Although, I don't know. That's fine for now. The Taliban has cut off the internet to the nation. I hate news and I hate having to deal with them. Somewhere else in your project. Oh. I must have left it in the middle of something. I need to grab my drink. One sec. Director, controller. So, this conversation is going to be too long in the tooth. I'll switch it up soon. Alrighty, we are cooking with fire. As what the kids would say. Right, the high stress, and the long cool down. And people be calling me. Got that. Opportunity event and considerations. stress. Super descriptive. Draw a ramp down curve, top left, bottom right. We set the value. Nope, not that. I thought you could type it in. It'd drive me crazy. There we go. Create a curve consideration. High wealth consideration. Can't let you get too balling. Bottom left, top right, ramp up curve. Okay. Traveling merchant. I am which channel? Assign the low stress and high wealth considerations. Click director profile. Our first director. Director. Dun, 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 dun. Set the scene to run the simulation. State monitor. Create an empty game object name thread listener. Thread channel. And then why it keeps thinking this is. Basically, I'm going to get the bones of this and I'm going to move on. I just want to get it kind of there and have it kind of working in its own scene in isolation. So when I'm ready for it, to bring it into the fold. Do. Still wants me to. Makes no sense. There's supposed to be someone telling me I'm rich. No, not rich. Darn. That's on me. That is on me. I'm actually going to bring you back. I feel like I was too loud yesterday. I think you are done. Oh. I don't know why that scares the shit out of me. Yeah. So you can sell me some stuff? Or try to sell me stuff? I'm good. I'm good. I'm about to stop streaming on Kick. Vertical layout group. Don't like canvas, man. Don't like it. Create a game on Text Mesh Pro. Colony Wealth. just don't like UGUI anymore. Since I play with UI Toolkit, it's just I don't like it. Time sensed. This is exciting stuff, but it's necessary. Oh, cheap followers. Here's your cheap followers. I'm gonna find a way to block these bots. I'm gonna do it. Let's go to the camera. Let's make the background black. UI is terrible. Paste. There we go. That's much better. Canvas, scale, scale screen size. need to delete my library again. Let's get annoying. That's all done. Game state monitor. We're almost to the phase. There's phase 5 and 6. I may not do the last phase. God, I don't want to. Oh. The beautiful people. The beautiful people. Da-dana, 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 da-dana. Telling me I don't need this. Which I know I don't, but I'm just trying to get through this.
This is exactly why we don't want this shit here.
So. Why don't you drag across there, seeing that next steps. Oh man, it sucks when it's like no visual, tangible, or like exciting stuff. But this is gonna be exciting stuff later on. This is the framework, the boilerplate, based off of research and my project plan. Oh, you thinking too long? How to test phase 4. Bum, 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 bum. I got that little ditty on my head. That's cool as shit. Oh, I'm pretty sure I just hit play. Let's see. Oopsie doopsie. Cheap followers. Why would you? Those bots are just so terrible. Why is the player's stress level text looking like garbage? Alright. The bones are there. Set the sliders to a neutral state 0, 0. Slowly drag the player's stress towards 100. As you do this, watch the console every 5 seconds will tick and print a cyan color. Expect to roll once the score for the bandit attack is the highest, the director will fire the event. You will see two things happen. The timer will reset to 0 automatically. Now let's create a peaceful situation. Phase 5. Features and refinement. Dynamic event cooldowns. Update the games to track the last execution time for each event category. Threat opportunity. So the same category preventing event spam. Okay. 1 sec. I'm gonna grab me a monster. So ready to be home. Driving back Thursday, and I cannot wait. Let's finish this project plan so I can get back to the fun stuff. So again, the director and all its code is isolated and decoupled. It will fire off events others can subscribe to. That way, really the AI directors or the AI storytellers don't know anything about anybody else. All they know is all the things that they need to consider and the events that can fire off. I am going to. Yeah, it was a long day at work. I was like, I don't know. I just digging through crap. I thought I had got to I validated everything was not really my fault, or it wasn't on me. It was hardware or the electrical engineers or something like that. But I'm just burnt out of being on the road, man. I tell you that much. I'm ready to be home. Director. Positive consideration. So right now I'm just going to have the one AI director, and then I'm going to move on because I can expand. Well, this is all the framework and the boilerplate that I need to really do this. So we are on phase dynamic event cooldowns. So this will prevent the spam like I want the event injection system. This allows other systems quest triggers to temporarily add special events to the director's pool or prevent certain types of events from firing. And the director's finite state machine display a real-time stored list of all available events and their current scores. This provides immediate visual feedback for designers, tuning to consideration curves. I like it. I like it. Time elapsed since the last event of a specific category was fired. This is crucial for implementing cooldowns. Don't fire a threat if one just happened. Hey, I'm going to organize after I'm done with this project plan. Game state monitor. Oh, I hate when it does that to me. And the director fits in. Just trying to grind through this so I can get back to something more exciting. This will get exciting once I've got the combat and the colony, and like the player can kind of work and or can play test through multiple days and events, because then this will come into play. The AI storyteller right now, I'm laying the framework, and then I'm going to get back to the core gameplay stuff, the procedural gen and the different aspects and features of the AIs and shit, or the NPCs. Draw a curve that scores 0 for the first in 60 seconds and then ramps up by 1. And director. Bandit. Cooldown. Consideration. Threat cooldown 60 seconds. And then ramps up to 1 by adding this. What did I name that? Oh. Minor bandit attack cooldown consideration. It's such a long one. But it is what it is. So now the bandit attack can't keep happening back to back. When you're ready for the next milestone. So now it'd be, so that's a cooldown. Now we're going to do event injection and real-time score visualization. Custom property draws for consideration. So references within the game. This will display the consideration's name and its current score when in play mode directly in the list, providing at-a-glance information. Alright, we're close. I'll just keep going. I'll keep going. I want to go work on other stuff, but yeah, I'm just going to get this knocked out. Oh man. Tomorrow's Tuesday. Oh, Thursday can't come soon enough. I'm not looking forward to a 14-hour drive home, but I'm so ready to be back home. I miss my kitties, my family. I miss my room, my bed, and my office, my comfy chair. Populated with several individuals. Into a single reusable scoring component. Oh, honey, I think you're tripping. Yeah, we already done that. So this is what happens when you get the conversation too long in the tooth. Um, milestone. So this is what we should be working on. Oops. Boop, 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 boop. I got so much done yesterday. It was crazy. The procedural generation looks great on the local maps. We'll get to that shortly. And I might do another biome because I got the temperate forest. I might do like the desert or. Oh yeah, something. So we're going to delete my stress controller and test heartbeat. Peace. Now we're going to be forced to wait a significant amount of time after one minor threat event fires afoot before. So it is gone off the rails. And I'm going to start a new chat. Oh, wait. Maybe its project plan is not the same. Yeah, I gotta switch chats. It's going off the rails. And I think I've got far enough at this point that I'm happy. The framework's there, the boilerplate's there. I'm not ready to actually have the AI director calling the shots or doing anything yet. So I'm going to get back to testing out all the other systems and working on movement and maybe some combat, and then tweaking the visuals more, lighting, day and night effects. Also, I want to add a distance check for like the local map generations, prefabs, or details. Implement dynamic event cooldowns, cleanup project, case study validation. Implement a weighted one, tooling and integration, not start it. This is what we're going to do. I'm going to export this project plan, and I'm going to move on for now. I'll come back to this. I know I can't leverage this right now, so I don't want to do. Alright, so we got that. Alright, I will leave this as is. Save the scene. Actually, let's go to scenes real quick. Save as AI Director Sandbox. Oh shit, where did I save that? There. Keep my shit clean. Alright. And we're done. We're done with AI Director for now. The bones are there. It responded to high stress levels and it kicked off bandit attacks. It responded to high colony wealth, so it sent out a merchant. And we all, polish that more as I go. So here, so let's kind of review the distribution of the prefabs. I think there's too many rocks still. What the fuck happened here? Just one little chunk. I want to put the triplanar shader on here. Let me see if what that's going to look like actually. So let's go to that guy. Let's get the rock texture. I guess the triplanar shader is not the best fit for this guy, but let's see what it looks like for now. I just need to actually create a UV map for. I got to do some cube work because then I don't get. Oh, nice. That looks good enough. Gives us a little distinction. Looks a little better than just straight up green. I was gonna do. I got it to where it will put different blocks based off of its neighboring cells and stuff, but I've just got one block in there for now. I got to do some work and create some more better blocks. Why is everything so blurry all of a sudden? What the fuck? What the hell? Um, what? Why would that? Oh, okay. That's fucking strange. Why would a triplanar shader affect the rest of the scene? Don't make no sense. Let's see them fight. Can't find a path. Really? Yeah, let's work on that. That seems more interesting than anything else. I just ain't got a lot of energy today. The depth of field is really looking screwy right now. It's like got ramped up somehow. I didn't tweak that at all. Maybe I'm just noticing it now. They cannot find a valid path near. Nine, 1, 14. Oh, he's trying to craft the. That's why. Hit spark. Oh, I missed it. I don't remember the depth of field being this wonky last night. Again, I think too many rocks. I'm going to tone down the rock spawns. Kind of happy with most everything else. Yeah, I don't know. The depth of field has changed. Let's see what that is about. Shouldn't be that blurry. Oh, I bet you it's because I am in 1080p. Oh, that's interesting. When I go to 4K resolution, oh shit, I'm gonna have to figure that out. So as the resolution changes, I got to dial in the depth of field needs to adjust on resolution change. I'm gonna end up writing my own shader to get that Octopath Traveler look, because I think the built-in let's see what it looks like as it goes to daytime. That sucks. Oh, it makes sense though. The bokeh of the depth of field would be way more exaggerated at 1080p than at 4K. Alrighty. I'm gonna have to think through that. And let's turn down the rock spawns. Let's do that. Let's see. Load layout. Okay. So tempered forest. We're going to go with the two forest details. Where you at, meshes? Oh, shit. Every time. Okay, so this is an improvement that needs to happen. So my intelligent biome populator, it resets all the category rules to the default state. Uh, no, I did save. Did save that. Yeah, right here. So I can set them back. But see, that's why I need to create. And so essentially, you got a button to export your category rules. Or actually, I think when I do populate, I could save the category rules with the biome set. And then you have a button here to load from your biome set or to go with the default or let you just do your own. I need save and load of these things. Yeah, I'll just. Oh, crap. Oh, well. I'm not going to tweak the rocks then. I'll come back to that. It looks good enough for now. Some botch. Some botch. What do I want to do, y'all? Why is this one? I bet you the A-star grid is Y. Or the A-star grid's Y. Yep. Does not matter. Okay. Okay. So this guy is spawning at 0. And if I just leave A-star grids offset at -1, it will accommodate. So let's figure out the width of this guy. Let's get the pathfinding grid on the whole thing. Local map channel. Landscape biased. Map size 160. And I want to get some more elevation in the local maps. I think. Well, again, I don't know if I do. Man, I just don't know if I got any of the juice tonight. Remember, behind every robot that turns evil is an engineer who specifically installed red LEDs into his eyes just for this occasion. I'm that engineer. Intelligence biome spunner. Where you at? Generation. Oh, it's an editor script, that's right. Editor scripts. Now this actually, I can go back to local map gen. Now I think if I generate a map, it should be the same distribution. Looking good. Now let's turn the rocks down a notch. Mushrooms, base grass, ground cover, rocks. So we're going to have that boy. Requires rock. Zero this guy out. And populate from folder. Clear the map. Generate map. Much better. Much better rock distribution. An easy way for me to kind of also check on the. So that was 33,000 objects. It's still more than I want. I need to probably. Let's see here. So that's what the rock distribution looks like right now. I like it. It's not overbearing. So we will keep it. Oh, that's a bug. Unity's like, what the fuck are you doing? I could work on the optimization. That scene view is bugged to shit. And I believe so. The A-star path grid is 75 by 75. I think this is the max size I want a map to be also. I think this is 160 by 160. Yeah, I think that's 100 by 100 tiles is enough. So let's go to world config. Let's try to fix that. Get her all dialed in, you know what I mean? If you know what I mean. And you probably don't, but you know, love you anyway. There we go. There we go. Much better. And now we have how many spawned? 13,000 objects. Is that too small? Let's hit play. Let's see how that feels. No, it's not. It's good. It's good. It's good. and also make my life easier when it comes to optimizations. The player can't, do a giant mega farms or craziness. I need a better skybox. The trees need to be considered blocking also. I need to fix the leaves on the trees. They don't have enough geometry for me. Or, well, they just don't cast shadows good enough. So if hit F12, hit resume. Why do they get stuck? Oh, yeah, I know what's going on. I know what's going on. One, they don't search. Uh, they only got like a 5 block radius that they're actually like will start attacking in, which isn't right. Yeah, let's work on movement and combat. Count for slope iterations, capsule, diameter, height, offset. So remove the player. Player has a seeker and he's leveraging it. Now, what do I want to work on? I'm just kind of sitting here like, I don't know, this or that. I do want to polish movement. Let's do this while I'm thinking. I'm going to close Unity. I'm going to check in. Much better, much better. That's new. Add AI director system and supporting asset. Introduces a modular UI, utility AI director system with scriptable object-based considerations, composite scoring, event channels, and decision logic. Adds new scenes and data assets for testing, updates biomes, detailed population, expands UI controls for director state monitoring. Sounds good to me, big boy. I don't know. It just took it out of me at work today, man. Just like, I think I walked like 6 miles all over the place because again, it's a giant like football field size space, and all the hardware and software, or all my software coordinating with all that hardware here or there. I'm over there. Like it's the most physical software development you'll ever do. Um, and I did it big today. Oh, my bones. I gotta find something that sparks my fire tonight. Like I gotta. What do I want to build, or what do I want to polish? Let's make items. Let's make some fucking items. Because I need items, right? I do. I do. I do. I do. But I do need to fix combat, and the NPCs, for some reason, are having trouble finding paths. That could be a personal problem, though. Oh, God. I feel like I'm not doing anything. Hour and 30 minutes. I mean, I got through the project plan, but whatever. It's new chat. Info code. Upload. Ignore. Review code base and how an organization of files. Which ones suggest better locations for any scripts and folders that So one of the things I've been really trying to keep shit clean, and I'm keeping as I go. Like the AI director folder has got everything in it now. Um, Moving AI related scripts that are currently in the root directory to this folder. This helps group them. I mean, that does work. Let's give the same prompt to Copilot and see what it suggests. I mean, these are good suggestions, but I'm just curious. Because the project has gotten a little larger. Oops, wrong chat. It's the wrong chat. So in Copilot, you can /solution to prompt against the solution. And let's just see what it says. And don't want two agents. Wait, I thought I deleted this fucking thing. I did. That's strange. I agree with that. I agree with this organization because the AI director folder is kind of wild. It's just all in here. But it's remembering files that are gone already. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to regenerate the CS project or the project in Unity, and then I'll do that again. And I'll have the agents move the shit. Save me the carpal tunnel. If you know what I mean, boys and girls and gentlemen, ladies and things and my boys. Let's go back to insiders. Also, see if there's any improvements in this bad boy. See if it still thinks those files are there. Yeah, I just don't got a lot of steam tonight, guys. I've got a little bit done. I got, further in the AI director. I got it to a functional state, and now it's just kind of at the polish. I'm just not interested in that either. Oh, I don't know what I want to do. Go lay down. Let's see what happens when I turn on more of the NPCs. If they all have routing problems. These guys have got to. Let me go way over here. Hit 12. Unpause the game. Yeah, they all have that issue. It could be because they've been used to navigating on like a flat plane, and now there's a bunch of stuff. But the pathfinding grid really shouldn't be, but had no target. I kind of want to work on that. But I just ain't got the brain power to do anything complicated, man. Like I just don't got it in me today. I am gonna call it. I'm not gonna force it. I'm gonna not work on the game anymore tonight. I'm gonna go watch YouTube and feel guilty about not working on the game. I think I'm gonna get rid of the health bars. I don't like them. I don't like seeing them. It's extra rendering that is. It's just wasted power. I'll find some other way to signal their health. Let's make it rain. I'd probably move that rain effect back off the camera a little bit more. Yeah, I don't think I've got it in me tonight. I can't brain. I know I'm with the brain hard tomorrow and the rest of the week. I'm ready to be home too. I'm tired of being on the road. All right. I'm gonna end the stream. I didn't really do jack shit. I mean, I flushed out the AI director system. If something comes to me or I get another second wind, I may get back on, but I just don't got it in me tonight, guys. I will talk to you tomorrow, probably, or the next day. Who knows? I'll see y'all later.